Yo, what's up, you guys? This is All of Mars back at it again. Today, special day for me. It was about like a week ago. I ordered a pedal, an expression pedal from Old Blood Noise Endeavors. So today I'm gonna be messing with the first time the expression ramper. Hell yeah. So although this looks like a kind of like a crazy pedal, which it is, essentially it's just an expression pedal. So you got your power, got your TRS cable input. Got a couple switches, got a tap tempo. This thing, I've seen a few videos on it. Um, Basically, whatever pedal you have that has an expression input, you can use this on. So for me, I have the Pitchfork Plus, um, the Mono Synth, let's see, Avalanche Run, Afterknee, and the Rainbow Machine. So quite a few options. Today I'm gonna be messing with. I think I'm gonna go for the Pitchfork. I'm gonna go for the Pitchfork Plus because I'm gonna try the octave setting. So usually I use it to go like an octave or two up or down, and just kind of mess with that. So I kind of want to see like how it's gonna respond. Like it's gonna do all these crazy patterns and stuff. So I'm stoked. This is my first Old Blood Noise Endeavors pedal, and this is my smallest expression pedal. So yeah, I love the art. This is fairly recent, maybe like a month out, I guess. I don't really know, but yeah, this one I like the colors. It's very it reminds me a lot of Chant, which is I mentioned multiple times before on the channel, which is still my favorite band. So yeah, it just fits the vibe for me really well. Um, yeah, so I don't know. I'm stoked. So yeah, stick around, and I'm gonna be go ahead and demoing this thing. I don't know what to expect. It might get kind of weird. So yeah, without further ado, let's check this out. All right. So first thoughts. This pedal's crazy. I can see the potential. There was a couple like the A, B, and rate switch. I don't quite understand. Um, as you can tell, I was just kind of flipping a couple switches and see what would do what. But I still got things to learn, and probably check out the manual just to try to get as much as I can out of it. But it's really cool. Definitely, definitely something that's going to be on Sounds of Mars, like probably every video, to be honest. It's really cool. It kind of reminds me of the Afterneath, because I use the last mode on it, which is basically an octave up and octave down. So it gives me that like almost like a percussive like pad in the background. So with this, it's super cool. Like that's cool. Like, oh man, I can make so much stuff with that. It's really inspiring. So yeah, so it's really cool. Almost sounds like a cell phone. Like, I don't know. So yeah, I'm stoked. Thanks for watching, you guys. I know it kind of seems like I'm just messing around, which I am. Like, this is my first time ever plugging it in or anything. So yeah, a lot of fun, and I'm gonna keep messing with this thing. So thanks for watching, you guys. Stay tuned. I'm gonna be doing more videos on different pedals with this. So today was just Pitchfork Plus. Next video I do with this might be, I'll probably just go down the chain. So the next pedal I have that has an expression input is the bass mono synth. So that could get pretty crazy. There's like, I think like 12 different modes on that. So definitely gonna try it on that. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, you guys. This has been All of Mars. Peace out.